Want to join your friend's private server and grow a garden? Here's how to do it in just a few steps. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Make sure you're friends on Roblox. First, you need to be friends with the person who owns the private server. If you're not already friends, send a friend request and wait for it to be accepted. Step 2. Ask for the server link. To join your friend's private server, ask them for the invite link. They can share the link with you through Roblox chat, Discord, or even in the game's chat. Step 3. Click the invite link. Once you have the invite link, simply click on it. It should automatically open Roblox and take you to the private server where your friend is playing. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Step 4. Join the server. When the link opens, you'll see the option to join the server. Click join and you'll be added to your friend's private server instantly. Step 5. Check for server access issues. If you can't join, make sure your friend has their server set to allow you in. Sometimes they may need to adjust the permissions or send you a new invite. That's how you join a friend's private server on Grow a Garden. Get the invite link, click to join, and start growing together. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.